Here are 5 low-waste kitchen swaps.
Plastic dish brushes release microplastics into our waterways every time you wash your dishes. Ours are 100% plant-based and can be composted at the end of their life. We sell replacement heads for the long-handled dish brushes so you don't have to replace the entire brush every time the bristles get worn down. Number 2 is our solid dish soap. This vegan bar replaces up to 3 plastic bottles of dish soap. Avocado sievers. I find that beeswax wraps don't keep my avocados as fresh as I'd like. These fit super snugly around the avocado, and you can even push this in or out depending on if the pit is still in or not. These cotton dishcloths are a reusable alternative to paper towels. They're super absorbent and can be washed in the washing machine or on the top rack of your dishwasher. Once they get worn out, just toss them in the compost. Last but not least, we love our stasher bags for all of our food prep. They're microwave oven and dishwasher safe, and my favorite little life hack is that you can pop popcorn in these.
Here are my 3 top sustainable kitchen swaps. So firstly, we've got a bamboo dish brush with a removable head, which can all go in the compost bin once you're done. Next up is a block of dishwashing soap, which replaces plastic bottles and gets nice and foamy. And then we've got a soda stream, so you can say goodbye to all of those plastic bottles in your kitchen.
Let's talk about eco-friendly kitchen products. Everybody talks about stainless steel straws, but silicone straws are so much safer. You won't chip a tooth and you can give them to your kids. These reusable GIR silicone lids are a great alternative to aluminum foil. They come in a variety of sizes and they'll cover your casserole dishes. I have a huge stash of reusable silicone bags. So these are the sandwich size stashers. This is a ½ gallon. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, Amazon offers these other bags that come in a variety of sizes. I've been using these for 3 years and they work great. The only catch is that sometimes the little slider can get stuck, but if you spray with oil, this helps it slide on. Beeswax wrap is a great way to avoid single-use plastic. We use it to cover bowls, and we also will wrap entire vegetables in it. Reusable produce bags is another great way to avoid single-use plastics. These ones are sturdy, they have a drawstring, but my favorite are these plastic bins we've been using for 10 years to avoid bags.
Things I don't buy for the kitchen anymore to reduce my plastic waste. I use this solid dish soap instead of using liquid soap that comes in a plastic container. I use it with this dish brush instead of using sponges that are made from plastic. At the end of its life, I can compost the head and replace it with a new one. The metal at the bottom is great so it doesn't get moldy. This soap will last me 6 months because it's so concentrated. Instead of using plastic cling wrap, I use these reusable food covers. My food stays secure under these covers.
The budget option and the investment option of an eco-friendly kitchen. Investment: reusable silicone stasher bags that you can freeze, store, and cook food in. Budget: rinse out and keep using your plastic ones. Investment: buying zero-waste dish soap in a glass jar. Budget: refilling your old plastic one with bulk soap. Investment: buying mason jars to put your bulk food items in. Budget: reusing glass jars from previous food products.